Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to use a comb for scalp massaging. And this will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional tutorial video. As you can see right here, I have one example of a comb. You can use any comb, okay? You just have to use a comb. Now obviously I don't use a comb to comb my hair, but I can use a comb for scalp massaging. Really simple. All that you want to do is you want to start off by getting the tines, which are basically the little like pointy-ish parts of the comb, and those are going to go against your scalp. Now you can do them direct like this or on an angle. I recommend starting on an angle, and then if you feel like you can handle direct, then go direct. But you're not going to put a lot of pressure, barely any pressure at all. I'm kind of just letting it just rest with whatever natural weight it has. That's basically the amount of pressure that it has. So I'm going to go on an angle, and I'm just letting it rest with barely any pressure at all, okay? Now you're going to start off by going back and forth like this, back and forth, okay? Oh, that feels, woo! That feels amazing. Back and forth, okay? Just like that, all right? Then, when you're satisfied with your back and forth, you're gonna go side to side. Oh! That's like, whoa, just hits the perfect spot on the scalp. Oh my gosh, that feels astounding, amazing, incredible, fantastical. It's just great, plain and simple. So side to side, okay? Just like that. And then when you're happy with that, you can do swirling. Oh, that's just a nice smooth, oh, feels great. And you can go all over your scalp, just like that. And what you're doing is you're giving yourself a nice scalp massage. It's gonna help your blood flow, which is great in itself, but it's just gonna feel amazing. Think about it this way. It's gonna make you feel so much better that your day is probably gonna get a lot better just by doing this. So it's worth it. And all you need is you can do this for 30 seconds and that's more than enough. Or you can do it for a couple minutes like me, but that is basically how to do it. I've shown you and told you exactly how to use a comb for scalp massaging. It's been a very simple tutorial, an easy tutorial, but a full tutorial as well. I've gone over all of the ways to do it. Really simple and straightforward. And I got nothing else to say. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you liked the fact that I kept it short, sweet, and straight to the point, and I hope you found it a little bit entertaining as well. And of course, educational. But yeah, I got nothing else to say for real, so we are gonna roll the outro. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.